13th of November 2002. The sinking of the Prestige unleashed an environmental crisis that affected the entire European seaboard. A shortage of the necessary resources, both for towing the oil tanker to safety and for extracting the crude oil, led to an oil slick that was to devastate the coasts of 3 countries. But the experience did not go to waste. Spain's development ministry, aware of the need to provide the salvage and rescue fleet with advanced vessels to respond to this type of emergency, quickly and efficiently organized the building of a series of new vessels for such contingencies. The Luz de Mar and Miguel de Cervantes are the first such ships to be rolled out. January 2006. The Miguel de Cervantes was delivered in January 2006. Together with its sister ship, Luz de Mar, it represents a new generation of seagoing emergency response tugs with the capacity to tow large vessels out to open sea under extreme weather conditions. Versatile and multi-purpose, these tugs are designed to work in oil terminals, rescue, salvage and support operations, anchor handling, anti-pollution and firefighting. The requirements of the Spanish Development Ministry were demanding. Armon, working through its own design office, developed the winning project. "56 meters long and with 15-meter beam, this tug offers exceptional maneuverability with a forward speed of 16.4 knots and a reverse speed of 15.8 knots. It can turn 360 degrees on its own axis in 30 seconds, using both azimuth propeller nozzles, and in 39 seconds using a single nozzle. 5,230-mile range. This is the engine room. 2 main 3,840 kilowatt engines running at 600 RPM are coupled to 2 shaft lines. The vessel can keep sailing with complete maneuverability and safety on a single propulsion line. The twin set of variable pitch azimuth drives and the bow thruster give it total maneuverability at any ratio. Sasemar vessels offer outstanding towing capacity. They can achieve a bollard pull of 128.5 tons towing aft and 117 tons towing by the bow. The spacious, sophisticated bridge contains all the vessel's maneuver, control and diagnosis systems. The tugs are equipped with a Dynapos AM dynamic positioning system to help hold a position using the onboard maneuvering equipment. Sasemar's Luz de Mar and Miguel de Cervantes are fitted out for fighting pollution in serious maritime accidents. Waste hydrocarbons can be collected using floating arms with suction pumps and storage and decanting tanks. This function is further extended with floating barriers and portable skimmer equipment. Processed recoil can be evacuated, either to the vessel's own recoil tanks or to other vessels operating in the area. The ship uses its dynamic positioning system for this purpose and has electrical, pneumatic and hydraulic supplies on deck to serve other vessels. There is also the possibility of using dispersants. The vessels have 20 and 14-ton cranes for all maneuvering operations with floating arms for oil recovery. The vessels are fitted with an external firefighting system that meets the requirements of Bureau Veritas's 551 class. Equipped with two external firefighting pumps, each capable of pumping 1,500 cubic meters of water and foam an hour in a jet over 120 meters long and 50 meters high, using two monitors. The vessels are provided with a hull protection system using nozzles fed by the external firefight pumps. Control is by means of a joystick and console table on the bridge. The Sassamar tugs can operate as a support platform for other teams, apart from the vessel's crew, such as technical personnel, divers, etc. For these purposes, the vessel acts as a personnel transporter, as well as providing on-board accommodation. A set of two hydraulically operated towing pins and a shark jaw unit allow the tug to perform anchor and buoy handling operations at sea. Each of the tugs is equipped with a rigid aluminium craft built by Armon Oaks Naval with a 200 horsepower inboard motor. This is used for laying the floating barrier and for other auxiliary tasks. Each tug also has a 7.24 meter semi-rigid boat with a 213 horsepower inboard motor. This boat is lowered using a retractable davit system with an accumulator device capable of operating without power as per SOLAS's rules and regulations. The tugs are equipped with a room which comfortably seats 15 survivors, adjacent to the infirmary. Both rooms are accessed directly from the outside by means of a wide corridor. There is a single cabin with an ensuite bathroom for every crew member. Two additional cabins, each sleeping 4 people, are provided for external personnel. Other services for officers and crew include a galley, 2 mess rooms, and 2 recreation rooms. Sassamar's Luz de Mar and Miguel de Cervantes are long-range tugs capable of tackling the worst possible contingencies and always ready to operate in everyday tasks. Armand's proposal: full power to the future.